The Link House is an incredible architectural marvel that challenges the norms of conventional living. Located in the heart of the city, it was designed as a 22,000 square foot home for an entrepreneur and real estate magnate. The journey through the Link House begins with a dynamic bridge over water bodies and green areas. Each step is a step into the unexpected, setting the tone for extraordinary experiences and views beyond. Meticulously planned spaces unfold as one ascends, ingeniously catering to the unique needs of the father and son. The presented challenge was monumental: to build two distinct houses. Embracing this challenge, Openideas Architects proposed an innovative solution: two separate blocks for the father and son, skillfully elevated and connected, with entertainment areas on the upper level. Appropriately named the Link House, this creation symbolizes the bridge between generations, ideologies, and experiences. The upper level reveals an entertainment and family gathering space, seamlessly connecting to the distinct houses and overlooking the pool area with a stepped garden. The circular skylight is a feature that appears everywhere, from the entrance balcony to the pool. The block adjacent to the parents' block houses the son's home and seamlessly interconnects both on upper and lower levels. Hidden courtyards and gardens are scattered throughout the grounds, creating a series of private and intimate spaces to occupy. Underneath the link bridge, it is possible to see the bottom of the pool on the upper floor. Here, a covered courtyard is formed between the two adjacent residences, connecting the front courtyard with the backyard. A circular opening in the ground serves as lighting and ventilation for the basement, and another as a skylight for the spa. In the basement, a sanctuary awaits with a home theater and spa. This oasis extends to a soothing water body, surrounded by nature penetrating through the concrete slab above. It is a tranquil environment for relaxation and rejuvenation. Ingenious design minimized ground coverage, giving rise to lush pockets of vegetation, sunken courts, and extensive lawns. A skylight in the spa redefines the sense of calm. The spiral staircase winds around the spa and provides access to the covered patio on the ground floor. Another entrance on the ground level below the floating bridge gracefully houses the parents, offering them tranquility and security. The residence is adorned with the finest Italian marble and wood, reflecting a blend of luxury, warmth, and elegance. Each room is a canvas blending modern contemporary aesthetics with timeless elegance. The parents' interior spaces are more refined, subtle, gray, and mature. In every aspect, the Link House is a manifestation of thoughtful design, where luxury meets functionality, surprises abound at every turn, and each day unfolds as a unique experience.